In a world filled with constant challenges and uncertainty, there is a universal language that has the power to heal, inspire, and uplift our souls: music. Whether it's a captivating melody, heartfelt lyrics, or a powerful rhythm, inspirational songs have the ability to touch our hearts and stir our emotions. Music has been recognized throughout history as a powerful source of healing and therapy. It transcends boundaries, cultures, and differences, bringing people together in moments of despair and celebration. From the soothing lullaby that calms a troubled mind to the rousing anthem that ignites the spirit of determination, the healing power of music knows no bounds. When life feels overwhelming and our hearts are heavy with burden, there are songs that come to our rescue, offering solace and comfort. These songs weave a tapestry of emotions, reminding us that we are not alone in our struggles. Through the vulnerability of their lyrics, they become our voice, expressing the pain and hope that reside deep within. Imagine a weary traveler carrying the weight of their troubles on their shoulders, seeking solace in a song that resonates with their soul. As the music begins to play, a transformation occurs. With each note, their burdens begin to ease, and a glimmer of hope emerges. The song embraces them, reminding them they are not alone, and offering a sense of connection, a shoulder to lean on. And it's not just the lyrics that carry this healing power. The melody itself has its own language. The dancers in our hearts sway to the rhythm, unlocking emotions we may have buried deep within. The music carries us through the darkest nights, whispering gentle reminders of the strength that lies within us. Everyone has their own collection of inspirational songs, each embedded with personal memories and profound meaning. These songs remind us of the journey we have traveled, the obstacles we have overcome, and the dreams we still strive to achieve. They become our soundtrack, shaping our lives and inspiring us to continue moving forward. Inspirational songs transcend mere entertainment. They become our refuge, providing a safe haven for our souls. In times of despair, they lift us up, offering a glimmer of hope and a guiding light in the darkness. They remind us that we are not defined by our circumstances, but by our spirit, our resilience, and our ability to rise above. Music has the power to heal wounds that cannot be seen, to rejuvenate our spirits when they are weary, and to inspire us to keep going, no matter how tough the journey. So let us embrace the healing power of music. Let it fill our hearts, and let the inspirational songs that speak to our souls carry us through the challenges that lie ahead. Music gradually fades out. Narrator. Music has the remarkable ability to heal, inspire, and uplift us. And the world of inspirational songs holds an endless supply of magic and hope. Let the healing power of music guide you on your journey or within its melodies. Lie the strength to overcome, the solace to heal, and the inspiration to achieve greatness.